We are AtlanticScrum at San Thomas. Thomas, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not doing too badly. Getting there, I think, is
I see you're keeping the Taliban bird. You know.
Yeah, I've got my work colleague, and it's just might bring in some beard oil. I want to experiment with some different ways of sort of making it less bushy, and we'll see. It's an agile process, you know. We'll kind of be into that. How are things going in your part of the world?
I'm hanging in there. There's a lot of stuff going on in terms of Makers Academy stuff.
Yes.
But other than that, we've been working on the Oodles project.
Yes.
A lot, and we are making progress in the Taking Away project. So that's also good. And I just had a quick meeting with the client for Take Me Away, just run into him. We sit in the same building, so it's fairly easy for me to communicate with him. He's very happy with Raul and his way of managing that project, and so am I actually. So I think Raul is a good asset for us as a community.
Wonderful, wonderful.
We've been making slow but steady progress on the Website 1 project. Alejandro is making some good stuff. I tried to reach out to him this weekend, but we couldn't sync our schedules together, unfortunately. So there are some updates that I have to do manually on the production server and on the staging and development servers as well, actually. But it has to do with the Hangout connection app. And the ability for us to see whether a Hangout is live or not. He cracked the code basically.
Wonderful.
He managed to get a response from the Google API to see whether a recording is not only live, as in being broadcasted, but also if it's being recorded.
Right.
So that's a good thing for us. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. So other than that, we've been digging into the geocoding API of Google and with this project. It's interesting. I've had some interesting meetings with stakeholders, potential stakeholders here in Gothenburg that are interested in running this application in production. Some nonprofits and also the city of Gothenburg has expressed some interest in that. So. That's very, very good, and we've submitted this application to a Nordic competition for innovative, ways to use technology to create a more sustainable, society. So hopefully we can make some noise about this important issue and also about the AgileVentures as a whole.
Fantastic.
So that's good.
That's excellent. That's excellent indeed. Yeah, cool beans. All right. Yes, I should have had your face up rather than I don't know what this background is of me doing good things. Anyway, let's have my face up now. Let's see. There we go. Yes. So on my side, we've had the local support meeting. I managed to have a brief retrospective with Michael last.
I still see the tunnel, so I don't know. Oh, there you are. Oh, sorry. Okay, now you're there.
Yeah, so I had a brief catch up with Michael on Friday. I think we're on the same page about this feature that he's working on to implement for local support. I am trying to drum up some more Makers folks for working on local support. We've got a new initiative. We'll see how that goes this week. I'm kind of checking in with the Paul is busy providing lots of support to Armando's Berkeley TAs, and I'm doing my best as well to give them information that they need. I'm hoping that it might lead to a very slimmed down version of the system being built. I think that's the project. So we've got a new cohort started at Makers, just getting into the swing of things, and I'm hoping to cycle around onto all the different charities thing and try. I want to move towards trying to have a showcase of all the different charity projects. But that's about the size of it. Autograder's client meeting tomorrow. That's about that. Yeah. Anything else we need to work out?
Not much. No, I don't think so. I think we're all covered.
Yeah. I mean, just one thing we might touch on is the Euro Asia Scrum. Are you running that at all?
No. I've been so busy, and there's a lot of stuff things, so I haven't been able to.
No.
Well,
and I think there's a limited number of people. I would say probably the thing to do, actually, here is where a screen share would actually be useful. I would say that for the time being, the thing to do is maybe do what we've done well, is just focus on the Atlantic one. I mean, and maybe, well, I think as a first step, I guess what we'll do here is just go in and adjust this to indicate that there's no regular Scrum Master on that one. And I think we could, let's see how we go over the next couple of weeks, but maybe either we will need to move the time of this, or maybe just, you know, retire it for the time being. And
yeah. It's too bad. It's easier for me actually to participate in that one than this one.
Ah, okay, right.
Sometimes.
Well, yes, I mean, it might be a possibility to move it to 8:30, but maybe let's because you were saying, would it, if it was an hour later, would that still be quite convenient for you?
Yeah, that could be convenient. So, but let's keep it this way this week, and we can
yeah, let's yeah, sounds good. Cool. Nice one. Excellent. All right. Good catching up with you, Thomas. I will see you tomorrow, maybe same time.
Yeah, absolutely. Take it easy.
All right. Take care, brother. Bye for now.
Cheers. Bye.